Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel Zero Charge. मेरा नाम है अंकित and in today's video we'll unbox a vacuum cleaner which can take care of your entire home cleaning needs. The product that I'm talking about is Agaro's Regal Plus Upright Vacuum Cleaner. So चलिए इस vacuum cleaner को unbox and review करते हैं, देखते हैं ये कैसा परफॉर्म करता है. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा बिकॉज बहुत सारे लोग जो है वो वीडियो देखते हैं बट चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते. सो आपसे गुजारिश है कि प्लीज मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Alright, so inside the box we get one user manual. This comes with 1 year of standard warranty, one nozzle for cleaning small areas, one connector for the nozzle so you can attach it like this, one multi-purpose cleaning brush, one floor cleaner, one upright handle for the vacuum, and this is the main unit which is Agaro Regal Plus Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The build quality of this vacuum cleaner is good. It is made of ABS plastic which is durable. It has a 800 watt motor which provides a suction of 6.5 kPa. On the top side you get one on-off switch. This is the button for removing the dust filter. Simply press it and dust filter will be removed. Inside this dust container there is a HEPA filter. This vacuum has got a dust collecting capacity of 0.8 liters. So let me attach it back, and this is easily connected. The weight of this vacuum is very comfortable. This is a bagless vacuum cleaner, which means that dust will be collected directly inside this vacuum. It also comes with 5-meter long power cord which is very convenient. There is also one hook for easy storage. So this is how you can attach the floor cleaner. You can see that how easily it is connected. For attaching other accessories, I will first install this connector. And now you can install the multi-purpose brush. And multi-purpose brush is connected. You can also install the nozzle. So now I will connect this upright handle. First I will open this lid at the back side. Then I will insert this rod and lock it. So this is locked and connected. So this is the vacuum in upright position. You also get one hook for hanging your wires. Alright, so I have connected this to the power cord. Let's hear the sound of this vacuum. Now let's start with floor cleaning. You can see that there is a lot of garbage on the floor. You can easily vacuum your entire floor with this. You can see that how powerful this vacuum is and how easy it was to clean. This vacuum cleaner can easily pick up all kinds of crumbs, pet hair, dust easily. So now I have connected the multi-purpose brush. With the multi-purpose brush, you can easily clean mattress, curtains or other delicate areas. This vacuum can only be used for dry vacuuming. With the upright handle, you can easily reach tight spots, corners and areas that are difficult to reach. Also with the small nozzle, you can easily clean areas that are difficult to reach. The reason this is called as an upright vacuum cleaner because आप इस vacuum को normal vacuum cleaner की तरह use कर सकते हैं and you can also attach a stick at the end of this. To clean it, simply press this button and remove the dust container. Now remove the HEPA filter and discard the dust. You can clean it and wash it depending on how dirty it is. Once it is completely dried, then you can install it back. And then you can reattach to the vacuum and your vacuum is ready to use again. So this is a portable vacuum cleaner which does the job well and fits into your budget. I don't think I can expect anything better in this price. I hope आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो में फैंटास्टिक वैक्यूम क्लीनर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा. अगर पसंद आया होगा लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं. So with that note, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel and keep watching Zero Charge. Jai Hind.